Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of Bootstrap series. Label Bootstrap wheels. For the sake of clarity, let's label both of our wheels with their IDs. Above your left wheel, inside its column XS6 div element, add a H4 element with the text left wheel. An H4 element H4 with the text has left well. H4 closed. Same way H4 right well for this one. In this case right well. Let's run the test. H4 element should have the text left well. Okay, left hyphen well instead of space right well. Let's run the test and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.